goes by itself. See this one? Smell that monkey of the sea. Smell it. Yeah. Smell it. It's yucky. Yucky. Rats. Wait, no. You got to see it, Sarah.
The underwater growing process is tiring and time-consuming, but that's also an opportunity to experience the full range of conditions on the reef. From the still clear water shown here, the strong southwestern wind, choppy waves, and murky water at wind. Over time, you can see the scope of different activities taking place here and discover gradually the numerous diversity of life. This work will reward the patient not just for the discovery of different animals and new find life possibly happen, but also the simple patterns of behaviour, interactions between species, and ecological relationships.
What's the